Oh, that was an actual bang. That was an actual bang there. This is my newly straight piped Ford Fiesta ST, and today we're going to be going for a POV drive. Now I know we've done a lot of POV drives recently, but I wanted to do this one while it's straight piped because it's not going to be staying straight piped for long because it is incredibly loud and I have a track day booked, so I can't have it this loud for a track day. So I thought we'd better do this POV drive now while it's still very, very loud, and so you guys can experience it. So let's not waste any more time. Let's turn the car on and let's go for this drive. Let me step outside so you can hear it. Whew. This thing sounds mean now. And we've got my MPG gauge right there. I'm definitely getting worse MPG now it's straight piped. I mean, it's going down as we speak. So let's get going and yeah. This is going to be loud. All right, so let's just let the car warm up a little bit and then we'll send some country roads. Now, I've got to say with this new exhaust, the crackles and little pops are much more prominent and you can hear them way better. Literally just cruising through town, you can hear them. That is insane. That's nutty. We'll do a little section now of just driving slow, driving normally, right? This is a fully straight piped Fiesta right here. So let's just see what it's like on a day-to-day driving around normally. And I think that's enough of driving normally for me. You guys get the idea. It's a bit, you know, there's a rumble there. You know it's straight piped, but it's not awful. I'll be honest, it's not awful at all. You can daily drive this, but the cold start is incredibly loud and that would need to get mapped out really. Oh, the bumps are a joke. Let's put it in sport mode. Oh yes, but we're getting to some twisty roads now, so I'm gonna just shut up, let you guys listen to this beast as we go through the gears, round some turns, and yeah, enjoy this segment. Windows down for this bit. Woo! All that drama while doing the speed limit. Mental. Oh, I hope you can hear those pops. That is insane! Close the windows, a lot of wind. If you just on the overrun dab the throttle a little bit, there's a load of burble. That's where the burbles come in. If I don't dab the throttle, no burbles happen. They're absolutely pouring through. Oh, that was an actual bang! That was an actual bang there, as the car gets warmer. Oh my god. That is mental. It does sound so good through second and third gear, just going through corners like that. It will make me miss the noise being that loud, honestly, because that is, when you're pushing it, is when it's at its best. I mean, I wasn't pushing it around the corners, but just pushing the engine and making it sing. Oh, the noise is just insane. A45S, that was nice. Mate, it sounds like a proper little race car now. That's mad. That is mad. Sorry. Not going to be able to hear it over the wind, but that is mental. Mate, it's still going. That is mad. Oh mate, what a beast, what a beast. Anyway, you lot, we've just got this straight and then we'll be back into some towns. So that's all the exciting driving that we're going to get out of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and let me know what you guys think of the exhaust. Is it too obnoxious for you, or do you absolutely love it? Let me know, I'm very intrigued. But yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
I'm finna fly to Japan. I'm gonna stagger the yen. Tell them again and again. Homie, no, we are not friends. I go to Tokyo. They telling lies, Pinocchio. Shawty, she ride like rodeo. I get the dope and no overdose. I've been on the block like J-Lo. I seen devils out there ride halos. Before they come up, sometimes gotta lay low. Think about that like Play-Doh.